Welcome to Mr. V's online classroom. I'm Mr. V. I've been teaching math for 25 years, grades 6 through 9, and I hope that these lessons will help you. Please like and subscribe to my video. Today we're going to do order of operations, or PEMDAS. When doing math, you must follow the order of operations. Sometimes it is called PEMDAS. So here's an example of a situation where you would do this. 12 minus 2 times the quantity 3 times 6 minus 12 plus 6. And what would that equal to? The order of operations will help you get the right answer to any math problem. This is the basis of all mathematics. The acronym PEMDAS stands for P, parentheses, E, exponents, M and D stand for multiplication or division. You do those from left to right in order. And then AS is adding and subtraction, again left to right in order. This makes the word PEMDAS. Here are common symbols you will see used in all types of equations. So parentheses, you will see parentheses, braces, and brackets. In exponents, you'll see 2 to the second, 3 to the third, or number to any power. Multiplication, you can use a dot, an X, a star, 2 times a parentheses multiplication, or A and B. Division is a slash or a fraction or a division sign, and then addition is plus and subtraction is minus. Let's look at the equations from the opening slide. "12 minus 2 times the quantity 3 times 6 minus 12 plus 6. When I say the quantity, that means a parenthesis. We need to follow PEMDAS to do this problem. We need to look for any parentheses. The first letter of PEMDAS is parentheses. Here is one right here. Now we need to do everything inside the parentheses, still following PEMDAS inside the parentheses. So we get 3 times 6 minus 12 is equal to 6. 3 times 6 is 18, and then we subtract 12, which gives us 6. And we replace that where the parenthesis was. So our equation looks like this now. 12 minus 2 times 6 plus 6. I'll continue this on the next slide. So here's the list of order of operations real quickly for you. So here's the original equation we started with on the first slide. 12 minus 2 times the quantity 3 times 6 minus 12 plus 6. So the equation continued from the previous slide after we did the parenthesis is 12 minus 2 times 6 plus 6. So we do the first thing is we do multiplication or division, so that's a multiplication problem right there. So we get 12 minus 12 plus 6. Then we do 12 minus 12, and we get 0 plus 6. So we do 0 plus 6 now, and we get the answer of 6. That was a basic order of operations problem. Now try one by yourself using the rules. Here's the equation. The quantity 64 minus 4 divided by 5 minus 3 squared. So we have to look for parentheses first. So the parentheses is 64 minus 4. So we need to do that before we do anything else. So we do 64 minus 4, and we get now 60 divided by 5 minus 3 squared. Okay, so now we got rid of the parentheses. Now we have to look for exponents. And there's 3 squared, so that's an exponent. We must do that first. So 3 squared is equal to 9. So we're going to replace the 3 squared with 9. So now our new equation is 60 divided by 5 minus 9. We're going to look for multiplication and division. And we have 60 divided by 5, which we know is equal to 12. So we do that first. So we get the new equation of 12 minus 9. And now we look for addition and subtraction, and that's what we have left. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. There's our answer. Try another one by yourself. This one's a little harder. Here's the equation. 5 plus 2 to the third power times the quantity 22 divided by 11 minus 3 squared times the quantity 4 plus 5. So now we're going to look for parentheses and do those first. In this case, we have 2 parentheses. So I'm going to do both of them at the same time. So we do 22 divided by 11, which we know is 2, and 4 plus 5 we know is 9. So we're going to rewrite the equation as 5 plus 2 to the third power times 2 minus 3 to the second power times 9. So now we're going to look for exponents. And again, we have 2 exponents. We have 2 to the third, which we know is 8, and we have 3 to the second, which we know is 9. So now we have a new equation. 5 plus 8 times 2 minus 9 times 9, and that equals the answer. So now we're going to do multiplication and division from left to right. So we have 2 multiplications in here. We have 8 times 2, which is 16, and 9 times 9, which is 81. So we're just going to replace those 2 parts of the equation. So we get a new equation of 5 plus 16 minus 81. So now we do addition and subtraction from left to right. And we get 5 plus 16, and that equals 21. So we get 21 minus 81. And now we do addition and subtraction one more time. And in this case, it's subtraction, so we do 21 minus 81. And we know that that is negative 60. So let's try another one. Here's the original equation. The quantity 3 times 5 squared divided by 15 minus the quantity 5 minus 2 squared. So when I say the quantity, I mean parentheses. So we have to use the parentheses, and we have to use PEMDAS inside the parentheses. So we're going to look for exponents first inside the parentheses. And then both parentheses have one. So we're going to get 5 squared, which would be 25. And we're going to get 2 squared, which is 4. So now we do those, and we get the quantity 3 times 25 divided by 15 minus the quantity 5 minus 4. So now we're going to have to do inside the parentheses, we're going to look for multiplication or division. So the first thing we do is 3 times 25. Remember, we do this from left to right. So 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 15 minus the quantity 5 minus 4. Okay, it looks like we still have another multiplication or division, so inside the parentheses, we have to do division this time. And 75 divided by 15 equals 5. So we write down 5 minus the quantity 5 minus 4. We look inside the parentheses now for adding or subtracting. We get 5 minus 5 minus 4, which is 1. So we get 5 minus 1. And then we just look for addition and subtraction again. And we get 4 as the answer. Well, this has been Mr. V. I hope you've learned a little bit about PEMDAS and order of operations. Please watch this video as often as you need to. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Help me to make more math videos. Hit the bell notification so you will know when I upload a new video. Make sure you check out these other math videos. Thank you.